Hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel where we talk about Nigerians living abroad, including other foreigners. As far as the story has to do with immigration, we are in to bring it to your notice. Now, here we have this very guy called Olumide Osunkoya, okay, living in the United Kingdom. And according to the information we have at hand, they say that he has been sent to prison. In fact, he's going to serve a jail term of 4 years for running illegal crypto operations in the United Kingdom since 2021, if I'm not mistaken. As you can see, this issue of fraud with Nigerians has become the order of the day, and it has become a trending thing for Nigerians. It seems that Nigerians who are living abroad don't even want to do away with fraud, thereby tarnishing the image of other Nigerians who are hardworking and doing legal things to make it on a daily basis. Let's quickly take a look at it so that you get the point and also understand what he did in full details. According to the full article here, they say Olumide Osunkoya sentenced to 4 years for illegally operating crypto ATM network. Crypto ATM network, my goodness. it's not a small thing. Crypto ATM network. How does that function? Let's quickly take a look at it. Now, Olumide Osunkoya, who is 46 years old, was sentenced on 28 February 2025 to 4 years in prison for illegal crypto activity worth over £2.5 million and associated offenses £2.5 million. Guy, you don't hammer. Do you know what £2.5 million can do for you, for example, in Nigeria? If you're able to take this money to Nigeria, that's why you see people driving Lamborghini, driving Ferrari, driving a lot of things. Because on a normal note, it is very difficult for, it is very difficult for an average salary earner, an average businessman to be, doing some things that we see on social media. And these people who are doing these illegal businesses are the ones pressuring the normal people on social media. They are the one pushing the youth into doing illegal stuffs. Because when they come around with convoys, and then you see them and you start admiring them, then you start looking for a way to make money very quickly so that you can be counted amongst men, right? Now, Mr. Osunkoya pleaded guilty on 30th September 2024 to 5 charges. Between 30th December 2021 and 12 March 2024, Mr. Osunkoya operated crypto ATMs at 25 different locations via his company, Giddy Plus Limited, despite being refused registration with the FCA. It is illegal to operate crypto ATMs in the UK without FCA registration. So, even though he tried to make it legal there, the authorities responsible for giving license for these operations refused to give him that very license to operate in the UK. But he never, pay attention to that. He went ahead to establish it. Mr. Osunkoya later transferred the machines from Giddy Plus Limited and personally operated a reduced network of up to 12 crypto ATMs under a false name and company to evade detection. Mr. Osunkoya failed to carry out the necessary checks to ensure that the ATMs were not being used by criminals to launder the proceeds of crime. Mr. Osunkoya was also convicted and sentenced for forgery, using false identity documents, and possessing criminal property. At the hearing, the FCA requested the court initiate confiscation proceedings under the Proceeds of Crime Act 2002. These proceeds will look to recover any financial benefit Mr. Osunkoya obtained as a result of his criminality. Mr. Osunkoya's sentence is the first for unregistered crypto asset activity in the UK. So he is the scapegoat in the UK because they say that he's the first person to be arrested under this very crime. He's the first person going to prison for this very crime. Now, according to the update, they say that crypto asset activity, it follows the FCA's operation working in partnership with law enforcement agencies to tackle illegal crypto ATMs across the country. In 2023, 2 years ago, the FCA visited 38 locations and disrupted 30 machines. They said that the number of crypto ATMs advertised on Coin ATM Radar in the UK has fallen from more than 80 in 2022 to nil in 2024. It seems that none is operational in the UK as I speak to you now. The FCA continues to warn people that if you buy crypto, you should be prepared to lose all your money. Crypto remains largely unregulated in the UK and is high risk. So that is why they are not giving license for people to run the crypto ATMs. In sentencing, His Honor Judge Perrin's remark, "Your decision to continue to operate illegally was an act of deliberate and calculated defiance to the regulator. You knew fully well that you were acting unlawfully. You went to great lengths to create a false identity to conceal your involvement. Your actions were deliberate and carefully planned. It cannot be said that it is a mere regulatory breach." Therese Chambers, Joint Executive Director of Enforcement and Market Oversight at the CEA, said this to this very guy while in court when they were sentencing him to this 4 years imprisonment. This is the UK's first criminal sentencing for unregistered crypto activity and sends a clear message. Those who float our rules, seek to evade detection and engage in criminal activity will face serious consequences. Okay? Now, note to editors, they say that one, Mr. Osunkoya's date of birth is 7th February 1979. The sentencing took place at Southwark Crown Court. FCA charges first individual with running a network of illegal crypto ATMs. Olumide Osunkoya plead guilty to illegally operating crypto ATM network. 5. Mr. Osunkoya has admitted guilt to 5 offenses. The first 2 offenses were operating a network of crypto ATMs without the required FCA permission. First, as the director of Gidi Plus Limited, and secondly, as the sole trader. The third offense was committing forgery, where Mr. Osunkoya created 4 bank statements in an effort to pass source of wealth checks with a crypto asset exchange provider. Now, they say that the 4th offense was using a false instrument, namely false identity document, in the name of his alias to incorporate a company under the control of that alias. The final offense was possessing criminal property worth £19,540 of cash, which was obtained as a result of running the crypto ATM network. Now, number 6 is Mr. Osunkoya is understood to have made substantial profit from the operation, charging a typical markup of each transaction of between 30% and 60%. That's big, man. Gidi Plus Limited applied for registration under the money laundering regulations in 2022 and was refused in December. No, he applied in 2020 and they refused him in December 2021. Crypto ATMs are machines that allow you to convert money into crypto asset and or crypto asset into money. Wow. So are they like ATM? I think it's like ATM machine. So if you put it there, put cash there, it turns to money. Abi? The FCA has been the Anti-Money Laundering and Counter-Terrorist Financing AML-CTF supervisor of UK crypto asset businesses since 10 January 2020. The FCA published a list of crypto assets businesses that are operating without our registration. That is how they came up with this very guy's information, and he's in for it. So go to 4 years imprisonment, serve your jail time, then come out again. I don't know how they do it in the UK, but if it were to be in the US, they would put him on parole and all those things. I don't know whether he's going to face deportation when he finally comes out after his 4 years jail service in the UK. Let me know what you guys think about this issue of fraud from Nigerians. The thing is getting out of hand, you know, because I follow a lot of these news. It doesn't matter where the person is coming from, whether it is Kenya, whether it's South Africa, just name it, we bring it to you here. But Nigerians, please desist from crimes. It doesn't pay. Okay, that's my message to you guys. So let me know your own opinion on the matter. Now, before I go, finally, let me use the opportunity to introduce Tap Send, an app that you can use to send money to your loved ones in Nigeria, guys. If you want to send money to Nigeria, please use Tap Send. One of the reasons I recommend Tap Send is because of their high rate, their efficiency, their speed. Because if you're sending money, maybe you need this money to get to your parents or your brothers, your siblings, your wife, your family. You need it to get to them fast. Use Tap Send because they deliver in seconds. Once you press, pam, it's gone. Okay, so use my promo code to get additional money on top of the money that you're sending. Those in UK are getting £15 extra on top of the money that you're sending. The same happens to people in Europe sending euro. You're getting 15 euros on top of the money with my promo code. Those in Canada, $30. Those in USA, $30. Those in Dubai, 75 AED. That's just the bonus that they are giving because of my promo code. That's one of the reasons why you need to use my promo code. And your first time using it, they are not going to charge you any money just because of using my promo code. So that's another way to say thank you to our viewers and people who have been sharing our videos. So even if you have been using this Tap Send for the past 3 years, 1 year, or whenever, and you have not used any promo code, please try and use mine, and then you see the magic happen. It's available on App Store and Google Play Store. See you on the next video. Please share so others can know what's going on. God bless you.